for weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy New Year. We're looking at some smoke trapped in the Helena Valley right now due to fireworks being shot off last night. Yes, that happens when we have a temperature inversion. Usually smoke will rise, but if we have warmer air over colder air, can't really rise much more. So it's staying put for now. 37 degrees out there. We will warm up tomorrow with a weather disturbance coming through. Great Falls, we're at 47 degrees. We got up into the low 50s very briefly today before we're finally starting to cool down. Here's a look at our temperatures across the state. We do have this stationary boundary in place through parts of central Montana right now, separating some much colder air into the northeastern side of the state as compared to where you see these green colors, the upper 40s to low 50s in some of those areas. Right here is where we're dealing with some fog, but good air quality. But if you look further towards the south and west, through most of the valleys of western Montana here, moderate air quality, and that's due again to some fireworks being shot off last night for ushering in the new year. Wind is on the lighter side through most of the state right now, southwest of 15 miles an hour through Great Falls. No wind in Helena, very minimal wind out into the plains. We will see an increase in that wind tomorrow as we do have a little system moving through that'll generate wind off the Rocky Mountain front. We could be looking at isolated 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts, more so 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts isolated into north central Montana. Helena will even have a bit of wind pickup. We're talking maybe 5 to 15 miles an hour, but enough to blow the inversion on out, which will be nice. We'll have a little bit warmer air heading into the weekend. Dense fog advisory for the eastern portion of our state, Glasgow, Glendive, Miles City. That goes until 11 o'clock tomorrow. This was extended from last night through most of the day today and into tomorrow morning. There's some rime forming on the trees out there because of freezing fog. Winter weather advisory back west of the divide, including Missoula and Kalispell down into Hamilton as well, where we could be looking at a little bit of snow and ice through tonight and into tomorrow morning. We already have some snow entering parts of the state right now, down near West Yellowstone, a few light snowflakes into the Missoula Valley, Hamilton, Victor, Florence, a little bit of a rain-snow mix there, and then a little bit further towards the north and west, Trout Creek, and up towards Libby. A little bit of some light snow starting to form. We will have some rain and snow moving through much of western Montana overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Could be looking at a little bit of ice through north central Montana as well. But by tomorrow afternoon, we're looking a lot drier across the forecast area. Just a little bit of cloud cover clearing by Saturday. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. We will be cooling off into the low 30s by tonight. We're getting rid of those 20s, thankfully. We'll be in the 40s through most of the weekend and into most of next week as well, staying with the dry weather until Thursday.